In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download all emails from Gmail. By the end, you'll have a complete backup of your Gmail inbox, including attachments and labels, safely stored on your computer. Start by opening your web browser and heading to takeout.google.com. This is Google Takeout, Google's official tool for exporting your data. It's reliable, secure, and designed for exactly this kind of full backup. Sign in to the Google account associated with the Gmail you want to download. Once you're in, you'll see a long list of Google services. By default, many of them are selected, which we don't want. Click Deselect All so you're starting with a clean slate and only export what you need. Now, scroll down until you find Mail and check the box next to it. That's the only service we're exporting in this process. Choosing Mail ensures the export includes your emails, the attachments inside those emails, and the labels that organize them, which helps preserve your folder structure when you open the archive later. Next, click Next Step at the bottom of the page. You'll move to the delivery and format options. For delivery, choose Send Download Link via email. This keeps things simple. When your archive is ready, Google will email you a secure link to download it. For file type, select .zip. Zip files work on Windows, macOS, and most other platforms without any extra software. Then, pick your preferred file size, 2 GB, 10 GB, or 50 GB. Smaller sizes create multiple files that are easier to download on slower connections and friendlier to older systems. Larger sizes mean fewer files to manage if you've got a fast, stable connection and plenty of storage. Click Create Export. Google will start preparing your Gmail archive. Depending on the size of your mailbox, this can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, and for very large accounts, it might take longer. You'll get an email when it's done, so you don't have to wait on the page. When the email arrives, open it and click Download. That link takes you to your export, which may be a single zip or several parts based on the file size you chose. Save the files somewhere secure. Inside, you'll find your data packaged for backup, including all messages, attachments, and labels. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully downloaded all emails from Gmail, attachments and labels included, so you have a complete portable backup whenever you need it.